Come on in here, girlies, and unbox with me my new Coach bag and my wristlet. Woo, woo. So, I got a little helper here. These little helping hands is my daughter. She was dying to see what was in the box. So, I've been holding out a couple days, and there she is. The Rowan Satchel bag by Coach. I got it in black. I got it off of Coach Outlet. And actually bought some. I was looking at their charms, but they're a little too pricey for me. So I went ahead and went on Amazon and got a charm and also some scarves so I can try to dress it up on my own. So I picked out this little gold cherry. They are so cute, very heavy, very sparkly, so pretty in person. And then here you got these little scarves that I've seen people tie it, bow it up, all that, goodness. And I just put on a little cherry, yeah. And then next, this is a little treat. My job, I'm a surgery scheduler. Haven't always been for all the years that I've been on my job. I started as a medical assistant. However, it was my 10-year anniversary this January, so they gifted me. They actually merged because my old job would not have done this, but the new company celebrates in a big way, and I got me a new gift. Now, this is a sheet set, 400 thread count, linen clove, and I got to pick it, as a gift. And it's like $100 and something value gift. They had ninjas on there that I could have picked, the air fryer, so all of them within a $200 range. But I wanted to get something that I really love, and I love being in my bed. So there's the sheets. All good. So next here we had the bag all wrapped up in one of the scarves. Of course, I didn't even wrap it right, so it fell off. Or I really was, you'll see at the end. But this is the inside of the bag. It's tight, the zipper in the space. So, it's a smaller bag than what I'm used to, so I just stuff it. Lip gloss, I'm having trouble there. Lip gloss, my wallet. I have little individual pieces that I can stuff things into, like bags. That's where I'm trying to go. Hello. And then I forgot. I was like, oh shoot, where's my wallet? I had to go check the mail, and we got this video done for y'all because here is the Coach wristlet. It's a corner zip wristlet, and this was only $35. So that was good. Oh, and the satchel bag cost $179. So the girl did an afterpay. Yes, I did. And yeah, so I got my new bag that I've been waiting for. Just needed an upgrade for myself. Comment, what you guys like the best. But here's the bag one last time. I love it. That little bow, I tried something to do.